Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're working on the middle filler piece. As you can see, I'm starting to sand this piece down. There's lots of chips and rust spots on the filler piece, so there's going to be a lot of sanding. So let's just get to a time lapse. There was a chunk of paint missing in this area and I'm trying to feather it out. So what will make things easier is by removing the front bumper and the headlights. So here we go. The bumper is held on by 4 bolts, 2 behind each blinker. So let's remove the blinkers first. Now, since I'm going to leave the bumper off, I'm going to wrap the signal plugs so that dust doesn't stick to the plugs. Now on the side of the bumper, there are a couple screws holding the bumper to the fender. We got to remove these. Now here are the 2 bolts behind the bumper lenses. Don't forget about the couple bolts on the bottom of the bumper. And there we go, the bumper is off. Now to remove the headlights. The bottom bolts can only be removed once the bumper is taken off. Back to sanding that filler piece. Now to clean the filler piece. I know I should have cleaned it before sanding, but I forgot. I'm using some foaming glass cleaner to clean it. It's wire wheeling time. I'm using a wire wheel to remove any of the surface rust left inside the chips. Now a quick wipe down with some isopropyl alcohol and some compressed air to dry it before I body fill. Back to sanding, trying to level out the body filler. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's basically it for today. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.